guys, today we are making jerk chicken. We have 6 legs in here that's already washed. Seasoning the chicken and we'll bake it in this bag here. I had it before and it's really good. It's a seasoning and a bag to put the chicken in to bake. Here we are adding extra seasoning. We got the jerk salt seasoning here, jerk seasoning powder, a little bit of coloring here, and some more seasoning we are adding here.
Hi.
This is gonna be one delicious chicken, jerk chicken.
I know you like jerk chicken,
I love this.
so I'm making this special for you.
This is the seasoning here, and this is the bag that we'll put all the chicken in. And season the chicken first, then put it in the bag and hide it, then bake it. These are extra seasoning we are adding for more flavor. Yeah. These are the seasoning from the bag. We're adding onion powder and garlic powder. We're adding some oregano here, sugar.
No.
We're adding some black pepper and green seasoning. This is going to be flavorful. Make it flavorful. Some jerk powder here. I'm adding some jerk sauce here. All these for more flavor, to make it more tender. I'll be putting some red coloring, 3 or 4 drops maybe, just for color. Yeah, this will give it a good flavor, all the different seasoning in here. We'll mix it up and we'll put it in the bag and let it absorb inside. This will be delicious when it's done. Now we're mixing everything up together. Looking good. Look how good it is now. Look at this. It's gonna be one delicious jerk chicken. We will put all the chicken in the bag and we'll keep it overnight in the fridge. In this way the seasoning will absorb in the chicken, incorporate in the chicken. We'll tie the bag up. The bag is all tied up.
Ready for baking.
We'll put it in the fridge overnight.
Chicken is almost done, looking good. It's very moist in the bag when you bake it in the bag. So moist. Almost done.
I'm trying a jerk chicken that we seasoning overnight, and we baked today, and we're trying it with a little bit of chow mein today. Really good, moist.
Yeah.
Love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like how it turns out. See you in the next video.